Hello, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed some activities in the lesson The Nightingale and the Rose. Today, we will discuss the remaining activities in this lesson. All of you take page number 149. Look, activity 2. Imagine that the young student has realized the sacrifice made by the nightingale. He feels very sad and writes a letter to his friend about it. What would he write? Write the letter. Students, hope you all are familiar with the format of writing an informal letter. Am I right? So try to write the letter yourself. Here, imagine that you are the boy in the story The Nightingale and the Rose. And write down his feelings when he realized the sacrifice made by the nightingale. This is a homework for you. Students, now all of you take page number 150. Look, activity 3. All of you read the question given there. The dejected student goes to his room overwhelmed with feelings and makes a diary entry. Write the diary entry in which you should express the student's feelings about being rejected in love, what he thinks of the professor's daughter, what he would do in future. Students, I already told you about how to write a diary entry, didn't I? Yes, so hope you will write the diary. First of all, you have to write the date on the top of the diary. Then you can express the points given there. All of you try to write the diary yourself. In the same page, all of you look activity 4. Read the question given there. The relationship between man and nature is one of the themes of the story The Nightingale and the Rose. In the story, the nightingale, the green lizard, and the rose tree speak like human beings. Look at the poster given below and identify the features of a poster. Design a poster for promoting awareness on the need for conserving nature. Students, here you can see a definition for poster. Posters usually contain notices, advertisements, or invitations. They are attractive and captivating. They are designed either to invite our attention to an event or to create awareness on an important social issue. Students, here you are asked to design a poster for promoting awareness on the need for conserving nature. I'll show you some posters related to the theme of conserving nature. All of you go through that posters and try to understand how to write a poster. Look at this poster. Heal the earth, heal our future. Next one. Save the trees, save the earth, we are the guardians of nature's birth. Did you see this poster? Read it. Protection of nature. Save our planet. Some pictures are also given there. Then some points are also included in this poster. They are environment, eco-lifestyle, and ecology. Now look at this one. Nature is not a destination, it is your home. Save water, save nature. A beautiful picture is also given here. So all of you go through these posters and try to write the poster based on the theme of conserving nature. Students, now all of you look at the text. Here you can see another example of a poster. Protect trees. Trees are livelihood. Then a picture is also given here. Then features of a poster. Let's go through the features of a poster. Let's read it one by one. Imaginative and interesting. Effective in highlighting the issue. Good use of text, image, layout, etc. Illustration, captions, clear and bold images. Language should be simple and attractive, self-explanatory. These are the features of a poster. Students, now it will be easy for you to write a poster. So all of you do it yourself, okay? Students, now take page number 151. Look activity 2. All of you read the question. Go through the following speech delivered by the oak tree to mourn the death of the nightingale. Students, here the death of the nightingale made the oak tree very sad. So, here is a speech delivered by the oak tree to mourn the death of the nightingale. All of you read that speech. Dear friends, I am very sad. It is with deep sorrow and shock that I speak about the demise of my friend, the nightingale. She used to spend most of the time sitting on my branches and singing. How happy I was when I listened to her melodious songs. She sacrificed her life for the happiness of the young student. For her, love was eternal and much more precious than her life. I am deeply moved by her sacrifice. She was a great bird and a true friend to all of us. I know I'll miss her a lot. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Students, hope you all understood the speech delivered by the oak tree. Am I right? Now all of you read this question. Hold a condolence meeting mourning the death of the nightingale. Imagine that you are one of the following and deliver the speech. Students, here you are asked to prepare a speech to be delivered in a meeting to express the sadness on the death of the nightingale by considering yourself as one of the following characters in the story The Nightingale and the Rose. Here you can select one among the following characters and write the speech. Now let's go through the characters mentioned here and the hints given below it. Who's the first one mentioned here? Learner 1, the rose tree. In the speech, you can include points like expresses grief at her death, tells that you had warned her but she did not pay any heed. The next character is Learner 2, the green lizard. In the speech, you can include points like expresses grief at her death, remarks that it was silly of her to have sacrificed her life for love, puts the blame of her death on the student. Who's the next character? Yes, Learner 3, the young lover. The speech includes points like expresses his sorrow at the sacrifice made by the nightingale, remarks how the nightingale was very special to you, recalls the help given by the nightingale. Then next character, Learner 4, the moon. Here in the speech, include points like recalls the night when the nightingale died and was lost in grief. Next point, bemoans the terrible loss. Then claims that the nightingale understood the true meaning of love. Proclaims that the nightingale is a martyr of love. So students, you can select any one of them and you can use the hints given below it. This activity is also a homework for you. All of you do these activities as a homework and we will discuss the rest of the activities in the next class. Thank you, dear children.